Hi everybody, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. Obviously we've been stuck at home for a while here with everything going on. So that's given me a little bit more margin to work on a few projects, and one of them is improving the training management system. I've been fortunate enough to work with Concept2, and they've been very helpful in helping me integrate my training management system into the Concept2 Logbook. So let's say, for example, I've just wrote a 5K erg test and I've uploaded that data to my logbook using ErgZone or similar, something like that. And I want to go ahead and put it into my system so, my coach, which is typically me most of the time with this system, can review that and compare it and really track the training as we go. So this is the main menu. If you haven't seen the system before, it's got a whole bunch of different functionalities like communications and changing your heart rate zones if you don't like the formula and you want to change them up. It's got past workouts so you can check those and the records. But let's say, for example, for this, we've done a 5K erg test. So let's go ahead and authenticate with the Concept2 Logbook. And typically you have to log in here, but I've already logged in, so this is why you're seeing this screen. And I want to approve the coachbergamot.com training management system. So I'm going to click on that. It's going to do some thinking for a couple of seconds and now returns me back to my system. So now I go ahead and return to the main menu. I can see now I'm connected to my logbook up here. And then I'm going to go ahead and edit this workout and pull in some information from that. Right now there's nothing in here for this 5K test. So I go up here and I click on the import data icon right here. And because I'm logged in, the next screen is going to do a bit of thinking, and then this is all of the data that I have in my logbook. And so you can page through it. There's a ton of stuff. It just does 50 results at a time by default. And so let's say, for example, I've got this one right here, which looks like a 5K piece. And I'm going to go ahead and import that into the system and click OK. It's going to do a bit of thinking, pulling in that data. And look, the data is now imported. And then it also collates that data and pulls in and will populate the fields on this right here. So it looks like I didn't wear a heart rate monitor for that one, but you get the general idea. And so a great row or some kind of a comment that I'm going to send to my coach, and once I hit submit, I go back to the main menu here, and then within a bit of a second we're going to see that I get an email, and that email is going to tell the coach that this data has been imported. Look, there it is. And so now I know, or whoever's coaching you knows, that you've just put some more data in here too. So pretty cool. I'm really proud of it. It's taken me a while to get to this point with my programming, but now I know a whole lot more about how these things work. And so I'm just happy that I've got this figured out, and should help save some time pulling in the data and all the rest of it. So that's it from this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.